YouTube, Crown Vic Nation, what's going on, everybody? What a journey, and what a journey, and what a journey. I am putting the transmission together as far as the wiring and everything is on there. All the harness is on there. So what I'm going to do now is get ready to mate them up together. And what I actually did is got all my bolts to the flywheel torqued down. I used red Loctite on those red Loctite. I got my manual right here. I did pre-prime my torque converter, and I do remember a person on here asking me what type of transmission fluid does my particular car take. And if you can see, it is Micron LV, and that's what this is right here. This is what I put in there. It's a Ford transmission. That way, you know, I know Ford used a couple different transmission fluids throughout the years, but it was more of a kind of an upgrade. You know, I'm sure Micron V and Micron and all that could have worked, but you know, LV was just more Ford's upgrade. I believe now they use LVV or something weird for the automatic Mustang. So torque converter is primed. Just going to go ahead and get ready to bolt everything together. And that's what I'm doing, YouTube. We ever so closely. My mechanic will be over here in the morning to help me. And I'm going to go ahead and get this mounted up, YouTube. I'll give you another video of the progress as soon as I can. I'm going to go ahead and wire these up. Yeah, everything is torqued down. The engine turns smooth. Hold on one second. I put this on here. I hope you guys can see how good this engine turns over. There's no chatter, no clicking, no banging into valves. So the only thing that's, like I said, the flywheel is turning into the spacer plate, and that's the only thing that's making noise, but that's not going to be an issue. You can see the flywheel turns. Everything turns smooth. You know, everything turns smooth. There's no resistance, no clicking. So YouTube, Crown Vic Nation, you guys have stuck with me this long, and I've trying to deliver on another promise. And like I say, hard work, thumbs up. YouTube, peace.